Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to MUREKA AI, where we uncover the amazing capabilities of this innovative tool designed to enhance productivity and creativity. Let's kick things off by creating your MUREKA AI account. It's a simple process that will have you up and running in no time. Now, let's take a tour of the user interface. Here are the key features and navigation tips that will help you get comfortable with the platform. MUREKA AI offers a range of capabilities. We'll explore different use cases that highlight how you can leverage this tool effectively. Now, let's create your first project together. Follow these simple steps to get started with MUREKA AI. To get the most out of MUREKA AI, we've prepared a list of best practices you can implement right away. Even great tools can have hiccups. Here are common troubleshooting tips and answers to frequently asked questions. Finally, let's talk about what the future holds for MUREKA AI in 2025 and the exciting developments we can expect. In conclusion, we've covered the essentials of MUREKA AI. Remember these key takeaways as you move forward with your projects.